Good morning, Nigerians. Without not taking too much of your time, I am here in peace. I am here because there is a news flying on the social media a few days ago. It's a news about our man, our father, our daddy that has been serving us diligently. Is a very hard work man. Is a very talented man. This man has collected so many trophies for us in this our dear country. He's a very good man that need to be celebrated as a Nigeria who has worked so very hard for his own dear country. Is this man that is showing on your screen. In a country where our tertiary institutions are producing a fresh, young, talented, intellectual, intelligent graduate every year. So a man now took $600,000 for Davido. For those of you that don't know, the amount of that money in Nigeria currency is almost 100 million naira for Davido to come and perform his old music where we don't hear tire, where we don't hear, where we don't dance. For him to come and perform in Warri, we now pay that huge amount of money to him to come and perform. Everybody remember what happened to our Super Falcon, our under 17 Super Falcon in Turkey. They slept inside Turkey airport during the World Cup tournament in Brazil. So this same man that is the former NFF president, you now took a sum of 100 million naira to go and pay for Davido to come and perform in Warri. Imagine. I still don't know who swear for us in this country. I don't know who we offend, who swear for us, who no grief forgive us. Put Oga Davido. I know say now you don't cash out. But you know my advice for you. Just buy diesel or kerosene or gas, whatever. Where they they put inside the private jets. Buy her. You just the tour. Just the tour. This is it. Davido reply our former NFF president, Amadu, who had previously called him out for refusing to show up at the 19th edition of Warri again, despite receiving $94,600 and $18,000 private jet arrangements. Imagine a country where people are suffering, where people know the seafood eat. A country where people are suffering. A country where majority find it so very difficult, so very hard to put food on the table. Let the poor breathe. We now not even give us chance to breathe again. We are suffocated. You now won't kill us with suffocation. But make una try. Make una just show mercy. Make una try help the poor. No good. Make una try help the poor. All this is not good. For you to give Davido this kind of money, just imagine how much you don't make, how much you get for hand. Make una try to show us mercy. We the poor. Make una try to show us mercy. All this is no good. People they suffer for this country. But you people, you pretend as if you don't know. Say we they suffer. We don't suffer for this country. What we do, you people? Make una try to show us mercy. Make una try to show us mercy. But you see this money, we go make am together. My great grandfather no fit die inside poverty. When my own father die inside poverty, me, I no go die inside poverty. I must change the storyline of my family. I must change the storyline of my family. I must change am. This money, we go make am together. Make una dey do am. Make una try fear God. Make una fear God.